Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're featuring what we believe is the best 3D rolling pin available on the market. The embossed wooden rolling pin from XINISS, featuring a stunning snowflake and flower pattern design. Whether you're baking for Christmas, New Year, or Valentine's Day, this rolling pin transforms simple cookie dough into elegant, textured treats that impress. At first glance, the craftsmanship is immediately noticeable. It's made from a grade natural wood, no paint, no wax, no artificial finishes. That's a huge win for anyone who prioritizes eco-conscious kitchenware. It's also designed to be moisture-resistant and hygienic, ensuring no sawdust or odd smells transfer to your dough. What you get is a smooth, clean rolling experience every time. Size-wise, this rolling pin is a comfortable 16.9 inches long and 1.8 inches wide, with a weight of just under 300 grams. That makes it both sturdy and easy to handle, especially when you're working with thicker doughs. The handles are ergonomically shaped, offering a solid, comfortable grip that helps you maintain control and precision while embossing. You won't find your wrists aching after a batch of holiday cookies. Now let's talk about the real magic, the embossing. The carved pattern is deeply engraved, not just etched on the surface. This means your cookies and fondants will come out with a bold, clear design that holds up beautifully in the oven. It doesn't just slightly mark your dough, it stamps it with elegance. The snowflake and flower motifs are festive and whimsical, making them perfect for seasonal baking or gifting. One of the underrated perks is how easy it is to clean. Just rinse it under running water, let it air dry, and store it away. No fuss, no food residue sticking in awkward grooves. It's compact enough to fit into most kitchen drawers without taking up space. This isn't just a tool, it's a thoughtful gift. Whether you're surprising a baking enthusiast, a child discovering the joy of cookie making, or just elevating your own baking game, this rolling pin adds personality to every batch. If you're someone who appreciates aesthetics in the kitchen, values natural materials, and wants to make holiday treats with a twist, this embossed rolling pin is a standout. It's simple, effective, and beautifully crafted, a kitchen tool that's as charming as the cookies it helps you create. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to learn more about this product, and as always, happy baking!